Hi folks, I'm Alec. Welcome to my very first video regarding any DJI products, and it was an issue that I had last night that really had me stumped for a wee while. DJI Neo was released on Thursday last week, and I bought the drone only version as I've already got the RC2 controller through the R3. Through the leaked information that we had prior to the release, we knew the RC2 would be compatible with the Neo, hence saving £130 for one controller. It arrived yesterday, charged up the batteries, and really excited to pair this machine up and take it out for its first flight. But for love nor money, I could not get the RC2 to connect with the Neo. I looked on YouTube to see if there's anybody else have had the same issue, and although there is brilliant content out there regarding the Neo, unboxing, the first flights, how the quick shots work, etc, I didn't find anything about the connection between the RC2 and the Neo straight out the box. Hence my crude video, my shadow of my big napper on the table, but hopefully it doesn't distract from the information. All we need is your mobile phone with the DJI Fly app installed and logged into your account. Also, you need the Neo and the RC2 controller. So on the DJI Fly app, connect to DJI Neo through the Wi-Fi. There's no need to do the pairing button through your mobile phone. It's solely done through Wi-Fi, and agree to join the Wi-Fi network for the Neo. Once it's been successful, you can then activate the drone, and then I'll give you a prompt to update the firmware. And that's the important part, is you need to update the firmware on the Neo first before you can connect to the RC2. The update firmware is only around about 130 meg, doesn't take long to download and install even through a mobile connection. Once it has been connected, you can move your mobile away, get your RC2 and pair it as you normally pair the Neo together. No issues whatsoever. Unfortunately, the great Scottish weather, it's been really windy, hailstones and rain over the last day and a half, so unfortunately I've not been able to fly our DJI Neo, but hopefully should get out pretty soon, tomorrow if not the day after. So hopefully that connection with the RC2 and Neo does help somebody that was in my position yesterday, and if it does, give me a thumbs up please on the page, any comments down below, and hopefully we'll see you again in another video. Thank you very much for watching.